Looking for the best robot cleaner for your home? In this video, we compare 5 smart cleaning robots designed for windows, floors, carpets, and everyday household cleaning. Featuring laser navigation, smart mapping, wet and dry cleaning, app control, powerful suction, and automated mopping, these compact devices can help reduce cleaning time and make daily home maintenance easier. Number 5. Liectroux N7S U Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Liectroux N7S U combines smart mapping, Wi-Fi app control, powerful 6 kPa suction, and a large 5200 mAh battery for efficient automated cleaning. Its brushless motor helps deliver dependable performance, while the strong suction is particularly useful for collecting dust and pet hair. With smart navigation and convenient app control, it's a versatile. Number 4. Mini Automatic Sweeping Mopping Robot. Designed for convenient everyday cleaning, this compact automatic robot combines intelligent sweeping and mopping functions in a small household-friendly design. Its wireless operation and automatic cleaning system make it easy to use in different areas around the home. The compact size is especially useful for navigating smaller spaces while helping reduce the time and effort required for routine floor cleaning. Number 3. Automatic Wet-Dry Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This automatic robot vacuum cleaner combines sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping functions to help keep floors clean with minimal effort. Its wet and dry cleaning capability makes it suitable for handling everyday dust, debris, and light floor messes. With an automated design and compact body, it can navigate around the home while providing a convenient solution for regular floor maintenance. Number 2. Liectroux/LILIN X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Liectroux/LILIN X6 combines smart laser navigation with automated floor cleaning for a more convenient home cleaning experience. Its laser mapping system helps the robot understand your home's layout, while multiple floor mapping and restricted area settings provide greater control over where it cleans. It's designed for carpets and hard floors, making it a practical choice for automated everyday cleaning. Number 1. Liectroux YW509 Window Cleaning Robot. The Liectroux YW509 is a smart window cleaning robot designed to make glass cleaning easier and more convenient. Featuring 4-way water spraying, laser sensing, and intelligent navigation, it can automatically move across glass surfaces while helping remove dirt and stains. Its compact automated design makes it suitable for windows and other compatible smooth surfaces, reducing the effort required for routine cleaning. These 5 cleaning robots offer convenient solutions for different household cleaning needs. Whether you need an automated window cleaner, a laser mapping vacuum, a wet and dry floor cleaner, or a powerful robot designed for pet hair, these models can help reduce everyday cleaning effort and keep your home looking cleaner with less manual work.